If you're just starting out importation from China, right, my advice for you, leave handbags alone. I have been getting these DMs from people that sell bags, people that just started importing bags, and they'll be like, Oni, I imported bags and I'm finding it so difficult to sell. Some will say, Oni, I don't know how to calculate my profit, because when I look around what these bags are being sold, it is like mine is too expensive. Guys, if you're starting mini importation fresh, right, my advice for you is leave handbags alone. Personally, I sell handbags, and I'm going to tell you why I'm asking you to leave handbags alone. Not to discourage anybody, but please watch this video closely and watch this video with an open mind. If you notice, most people that are going to China, that are visiting China for business these days from Nigeria, both the actors, the influencers, the business owner, both those that are selling bags, those that are not selling bags, all of them, when they step into China, the first thing they are pre-ordering, the first thing they are advertising is handbags. Why? Because when you step into China, Guangzhou to be precise, you will see bags. You will see bags, and handbag is something that you can advertise easily and sell. It is not something that has sizes that you start waiting for customers to tell you, oh, I want size 39, I want size 40. No, it is just handbags and different colors. So it is easy to market and sell handbags. Do you understand me? So anybody that goes to China currently, watch their videos. The first thing they will advertise that they are pre-ordering for people is handbags. So people are pre-ordering handbags and they're getting it at good prices. Major importers are importing bags in quantity, and you that you're just starting out, trust me, if you go on 1688 and you're ordering these bags, with your expenses and everything, you cannot beat their price. That's what I'm trying to make you understand. You cannot beat the market price. Why? Because you're buying few pieces compared to people that are buying in thousands. You cannot compete with them when it comes to price. Their price will always be better off than yours. I sell bags. If I am buying bags, a particular design of bag in full carton, say 50 pieces in a carton, and I'm buying, here I have black, there I have red wine, 50 pieces in a carton, and you are just buying two, our prices cannot be the same. If I am selling the same bag for 18,000 naira and you try to sell for 18,000 naira, you will not go see your money. You will not see your money, neither will you even make profit. So my advice for you is, if you want to go into importation, right, leave handbags alone. There are other products that you will import. My queen, my guys, you will make money from those products. That is the point of this video. That is the essence of this video. Leave handbags alone. Leave those popular products that are everywhere. Go for product that when you buy, you don't even need to beg people. People will buy them from you, and you will sell with good profit margin. That is the essence of this video. Now you may be asking, Oni, what are these type of products? Bags are something that we can start with 100k. Please, if you want to start importation and all you have is 100k, why not go to a major market here in Lagos? You're based in Lagos. Go to Island, go to trade fair, start up your business with something. I am not saying 100k will not get you anything, but currently it is not realistic. It is not making sense that you want to be importing from China and you're starting with 100k. Your own price with the normal retail price in Lagos, there will be no difference. And that's the truth. There will be no difference. I am making this video for those of you that want to start. It is not just something you just do because everybody is doing. No, that's why you're not making money. That's why you import item and you're finding it so difficult to sell. Most of you don't have store. Most of you want to start selling online. You want to learn how to start online. Not that you already know how to do it. And you're already carrying all your life saving, tying it up, buying a particular goods that you are not even sure if you will be able to sell. Stop doing that mistake and start coming to my DM. Only, can you help me sell? No, I cannot help you sell. I cannot. It's not making sense. Where is the place of you trying those products? You can buy 2, 3 from vendors within. Try it out. Learn how to sell online. See, most of you, you will leave this first thing you're supposed to do, and you'll be doing the last thing first. You don't know how to sell online, and you went ahead to go import first before you will now start learning how to sell online. Does it make sense? How about you learn how the people are doing? How are these people that sell online? How are they doing it? People that sell on TikTok, people that sell on Instagram, people that sell on Facebook, how are they doing it? Because I want to start doing it from home. How are they doing it? Learn that craft first, learn that skill first before you now use your money to start import. In fact, don't even import until you have bought small quantity from people within your country. Sell it first and see how the business go. Then if it start moving well, you put your money into importation. That is when you make money as a mini importer. Know what some of you are doing today. You have 100k because everybody is talking about importation. You put your 100k, you buy different items that you're not even sure how you're going to sell. And some of you be depending on your family and friends. How many will your family and friends buy Kwano? Stop stressing your family and friends. In fact, some of them already have customers they are patronizing. Stop stressing them. They are not even your target market at the end of the day. Everybody, family, my friends, I have friends. Hey, how many items will your friends buy? If they buy back today, will they buy tomorrow? Or you want to just import once and you are... No, now, make it make sense. Those of you that want to go into business, please use your hair. Do you understand me? Business is not jamboree. Business is not nah. Do you understand me? Go into business with a clear mind, with a clear understanding, with a clear knowledge of what you're getting into, so that somebody doesn't come and change the whole narrative of my video. I'm not saying you shouldn't import bags. The whole essence of this video is for you to do your calculations very well. Have in mind what you will buy and sell. Don't just import things randomly. Bags is everywhere. I am saying bags are everywhere. Bags are everywhere. Look for product that when you buy, I mean, there are a lot of them. I have videos on this channel where I, listed out some product that you can buy, you can market and resell. A whole lot. It is not just bags. Kiddies wear, specific type of kiddies wear that are hot selling currently. Specific types of kiddies wear that are hot selling currently. Not just the part kind of kiddies wear. There are people that want good quality kiddies wear. What about undies for ladies? I'm not talking about Guido now. I'm not talking about tight and all that. Your bra, panties, good quality cotton ones are selling. It is not just bags. It is not just bags and shoes. How about gym wear, active wear? People are selling it. You can buy quality ones. These are even more products that are into the fashion line. There are other products that are so underrated, that are so calm, that people are cashing out from on a daily basis. You have to play your part. You have to do your research. Get those products. I don't know if somebody's actually getting something from this video. Don't just do because this person is doing, but everybody's importing bags, and that is the truth. Actresses that are traveling to China, to just go look around, the first thing they do is buy bags, pre-ordering bags. Now, because they have the audience, because they have the followers, they are able to sell. You that you're just, you don't even have any followers on Instagram. You don't have on Facebook. You don't have only your WhatsApp contacts. How many are there? Are there up to 4,000 contacts on your WhatsApp? Haba. Start with something that when you buy, you advertise, people will be so willing to buy. Ask yourself, what is the problem that people are faced with? Majority of people are faced with. What is that problem? Currently, there's insecurity everywhere. There's insecurity in the country. Do you know that people are now buying cameras that they can hang on their kids' school bags? I mean, it is something you can put in your kids' school bags when they are going to school. Your kids don't even know that it's there, but with that, you're monitoring where they are at the moment. There are cameras that you can put at your gates, not even the big ones. They are very small that people might not even notice that it's there. Think of product that when you buy, people will see, wow, they really need to get this product right now. Is somebody understanding me? Think about the problem that people are faced with, and then think about product that you can use to profile solutions to those problems. That is where your money, that is the oil money, that is where your millions are. Do you get me? This is how you should be thinking. Okay, what are people faced with right now around this area where I am? What is that I can bring, import into the country right now? And based on this situations, people are going to buy. What is it? It's not just insecurity. There is, hustling and bustling. People want to go out, come back, food is ready. They want to make sure. How about solar fridge? Nigerian problem number one. No electricity, there's no power. There is no power. People are buying solar fridge so that the food items they have at home, the food they have at home can be preserved. Solar fridge is fast selling. There is this ice block making machine. They are fast selling. These are products that you can just go take their pictures from 1688, post it on your WhatsApp or any place where you have audience, and just write a price to it. See if people will be interested. You can add that you're pre-ordering it. See if people will be interested in it. If you have the money, you can buy one for yourself. Try it out. What about dehydrating machine? These are small. It's not even heavy. It's not that heavy. What about dehydrating machine? People are advocating for healthy living, eat healthy and all that. People want to be dehydrating some of their vegetables and keep them later. All this moringa and the likes. These are products, dehydrating machines. These are products that are not just bags. They are not just everywhere you see. These are products that will make you money, that you will sell with good profit margin, not bags that you're struggling to even meet up. You that imported, you're struggling to meet up with the retail price in the market. It's not making sense. You'll be running at loss. But if you bring in this product that people need, you will see yourself selling them with good profit margin, and that is when you see yourself happy because you're making money. The whole essence of business is for you to make money. Abi, it's for you to make a living from what you're doing. But when you're not making anything, it's frustrating. It's annoying. So when you want to go into business, go in with your head. Go in with your head. Don't just follow crowd. Some of you are following crowd. That's why you're losing money. You started with 100,000 naira that is supposed to grow from 100 to 150 to 200. No, from that your 100,000, you're even struggling to sell out what you imported. You're struggling. The goods are there, staring right into your face. Nobody's asking you how much. So import products that are worth it, especially because you are a mini importer. You don't have all the money. You are a mini importer. Import product that when you import, even as a mini importer, you're going to sell and make money from it. Hope you find this video helpful. I don't want it to be too lengthy. Hope it makes sense to somebody out there. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave comments in the comment section. What do you think about this video? What is your own take on people importing everyday products that are everywhere? What's your take on it? What do you think about it? Or are you already stuck in it? Let's continue in the comments. Okay, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.